The Sun, the blazing star at the center of our solar system, is not just a source of light and heat, it's the reason every planet, moon, and asteroid exists where it does. To understand the story of Earth and the solar system, we must first go back to 4.6 billion years ago, to the birth of the Sun itself. Let's look into it deeply. Hi friends, welcome to Spot Angle. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our galaxy had enormous clouds of gas and dust drifting through the space. One such giant molecular cloud, made mostly of hydrogen and helium, became the birthplace of the Sun. For millions of years, it remained stable until a powerful event, possibly a nearby supernova explosion, disturbed it. That shock wave caused parts of the cloud to collapse under their own gravity. As the gas and dust collapsed inward, they began to spin, flattening into a rotating disk. At the very center of the disk, matter piled up, growing hotter and denser with each passing moment. This dense central core is what we call a protostar, earliest stage of the Sun. The protostar wasn't shining yet. It glowed faintly from the heat of compression, but truly, starlight comes only from nuclear fusion. For hundreds of years, gravity continued to squeezing the core tighter, raising its temperature to millions of degrees. Finally, when the pressure and heat reached critical point, hydrogen atoms began fusing into helium. In that instant, the Sun ignited and a star was born. This process released an incredible amount of energy, and for the first time, our Sun shone with the brilliance we still see today. Nuclear fusion not only powers the Sun, it also creates balance between gravity pulling inward and radiation pushing outward. That balance has kept the Sun stable for billions of years. Meanwhile, the newborn Sun was not quiet. It released powerful solar winds that swept away much of the remaining gas and dust from the surrounding disk. What was left behind eventually clumped together, giving rise to planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. But that is a story for the next video. Today, the Sun continues to burn steadily, converting hydrogen into helium at its core. It is about halfway through its 10 billion year life cycle, and without it, life on Earth would not exist. If you haven't watched our previous video on the Big Bang Theory, I recommend you to check it out first. That video explains how the universe itself began, and it will give you the background needed for watching this video. If you like my analysis, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.